Hey, what's up you guys? Marinelle here. Today's video is not about makeup. I wasn't even gonna film today, but I figured um, everybody who has makeup and does makeup, whether you're a beginner or whether you're like high-end like beauty guru, has to deal with this. So I figured since I have to do it, let's just show you what I'm doing. Today, I'm going to be cleaning all my makeup brushes here and here. Except for this one because it's still in the plastic and I don't really use fan brushes much. I get so scared that because it's a fan, it's gonna let me get that out the way. It's just gonna disperse the product everywhere and have a big explosion on my face. So I barely do that. But for today's video, just gonna be showing you, that's another one with plastic, just what I use, how I do it and stuff. Just a quick video on it. So let me get everything set up and then we'll get right on with this video. Alright you guys, so as you can see here, I have like an old towel that I laid down. This is actually the Cinema Secrets. Here. A little jar that I put it in. And then this is what I actually use, which is the, I'm going to put it up here, Cinema Secrets also. Makeup brush cleaner. And it's actually like really good. Let me just turn it around. And then what I do is I take like my brushes and I just dip it in here a little bit. And then I take another towel that like I wipe it on and I just swirl on there. Zip a little more. Do that. And then what I like to do is I like to lay each one out. Alright you guys, so I had to switch it up a bit because like I work better when I use two hands and it's quicker. So basically what I do is I take the brush, I dip it in a little bit just to get it coated. I'll wipe it on the brush, like on the towel, and it just cleans it. It takes it all out. And then I like to reform it and put it down. And same thing goes for everything. You dip it in, you swirl. Now this I do like once a week. If I'm not doing anything crazy, maybe I'll do it twice, like once every 2 weeks. Just same thing over and over again until all the brushes are clean. It takes a little while depending on how much how many brushes you really have. And I have quite a few, so this is probably like the part that I hate the most about makeup is sanitizing everything, cleaning everything before I get to use it again. So this is just my routine. And then actually depending on how much you use it, you could get away with it, but I always think that I'm gonna get like a sty or something from not cleaning my brushes. So I also use this, which is the Clinique makeup brush cleaner. It's supposed to like be more deep cleansing for your brushes, and you have to you basically wash your brushes, you rinse it with water and stuff, and it's supposed to clean it really well. So I do that too, like every 2 weeks, because I have a lot of brushes. So when I'm out of brushes, which I always end up doing that, I'll wait until I use all my brushes and I have no clean brushes to use before I clean them. I should be more consistent in cleaning them, but I just have a lot, so I use them. I wait till I really use them all, and then it literally cleans them. Like they're great. You let them lay flat on a towel, and you let them dry, and then once they're dry, they're good to go. You could use them again. But yeah, I literally do this to all my brushes, and then as far as like beauty sponges and stuff, as far as those go, I like to clean those at least every week. Sometimes I do it more, like every few days, because I do use foundation a lot. I use it every day, and I just feel like foundation sticks more to the sponges than eyeshadow does to your brushes, so you can kind of get away with it with your brushes more than your sponges. But you definitely don't want to use dirty sponges on your face. It like holds bacteria, dust, all that stuff gets in it, and you don't know, and the next thing you know, the next day when you wake up, you're breaking out in acne. You don't know why, and it's because you use a dirty beauty blender. Let me just finish cleaning all my brushes, and then I will be right back to show you how I lay them out and stuff. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is all my clean brushes that I just finished cleaning. So I'm gonna let them sit here and let them dry out, and then I'll put them back in their containers, which is actually this that I got off at Amazon. I like it, it's cute. And then I re-separate them into like my fluffy brushes, and then I have like my detailed, and then my eyeshadow like fluffy brushes and stuff. It's all separated into what I need quick. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for watching me show you how I clean my brushes every few weeks. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And also, I actually want to know how you guys clean your makeup brushes. Leave that in the comment section down below. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys soon.